In this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Sendgrid with Bubble.io. First thing you need to do is to head over to Sendgrid, then click onto this Start for Free option in order to create an account from there. You can also click onto this button in order to see their plans and pricings that they have available. Once you have done that, proceed to click onto this Sign In option in order to sign in into your account. So if you already have one, you can just proceed to sign in. Next, head over to bubble.io and then from in there, click on this Get Started from there as well and click on Login if you already have an account from there. I have in here this documentation from Bubble, and in order to actually integrate or send emails with SendGrid using Bubble, you just need to take note that there's actually three kinds of emails. Like for example, we have Bubble's transactional emails, Bubble send email action, and using a plugin. So for example, you can actually just utilize this, head over to sendgrid.com and set up an account and then go over to settings, API keys, and create an API from there and copy it. Now in your bubble, go over to your settings and domain and email and paste the key into the SendGrid API field. Just head over and then add the API key from there and click on connect option from there. So you can just proceed with the on-screen instructions in order to set it up from there. You can also set it up using legacy templates. So from there, on your SendGrid, go to Templates, Legacy, and create the template that you would want. For example, you can name it Bubble Send Email Template. You can now get an ID code listed. Just click on Add Version and select the design editor and continue. Now from in there on the left hand side, you can find a template field name like Bubble Send Email Template V1. Click on Save Template and you should now be back on the Legacy Transactional option. You have in there the ID key, copy it, and on your bubble, head over to settings and domain and email, paste a template ID key from there, and you should be able to set it up. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.